We brought you a toy. You might like this toy. We'd like you to play with it.
What? I just heard a girl yelling.
This is that second floor camera. Caught it much better up there on the second floor. It was definitely a little closer to the source of the audio. Let's go to the enhancement here. Yeah, that's just... Yeah, let's go to the slow-mo. Yeah, that's a little... That's usually enough. And I know the entities would be shocked. That, for most people going into these places, that's enough to send them running out into the middle of the street.
Hello?
Man, I got some footsteps there. Let's go into the enhancement.
Hello?
And see, this is one of those ones that you can, you know, as you can see, you can hear it in the original, but it's barely there. It's pretty low. It's pretty distant, but it has enough amplitude to it that, yeah, once we get to enhancing, man, yeah, it's got some character. Let's slow that down.
Hello? Hello?
That's, yeah, terrifying.
Some people, you know, back then did want to try and treat patients. I just don't... I just heard that.
Guys. Oh.
Hello?
That was right next to us.
Now, Wyatt's face is out of control. Okay, let's go on to the enhancement.
Some people, you know, back then did want to try and treat patients. I just don't... I just heard that. Whoa.
Guys. Oh.
Hello?
That was right next to us.
Whoa, dude. God.
Yeah, that's next level.
Some people,
slow-mo.
you know, back then did want to try and treat patients. I just don't... I just heard that. Whoa.
Guys.
Oh. Hello?
That was right next to us.
Whoa, dude. Guys.
Yeah, man. Let's get on to the next clip.
We're trying to come in contact with you. Can you please come and speak into this device right here in my hand?
I'm gonna run that back.
We're trying to come in contact with you. Can you please come and speak into this device right here in my hand?
Straight to the enhancement.
We're trying to come in contact with you. Can you please come and speak into this device right here in my hand? We're trying to come in contact with you. Can you please come and speak into this device right here in my hand?
Straight to the slow-mo.
We're trying to come in contact with you. Can you please come and speak into this device right here in my hand? That's like to go? The third floor? Or do you like to stay on the first floor?
What the f? Huh?
Where do you like to go? Right here. Where do you like to go? The third floor? Or do you like to stay on the first floor?
What the f? Huh?
Where do you like to go?
Let's go to the enhancement on that. Wild. This is some wild stuff right here.
Where do you like to go? The third floor? Or do you like to stay on the first floor?
What the f?
Right here. Where do you like to go? The third floor? Or do you like to stay on the first floor? The third floor? Or do you like to stay on the first floor?
I know everything.
Let's go to the enhancement on that.
Floor? Or do you like to stay on the first floor?
Terrifying. Let me play that again.
Floor? Or do you like to stay on the first floor?
I know everything.
Sounds like that's what it says. Let's hit the slow-mo.
I know everything.
Absolutely crazy. Let me say at this juncture, if you're still with us, please go down right now, hit the subscribe button, hit your notifications, hit the like button. Afterwards, give me a comment. Let me know what you think. This is this is wild. If you like what you're hearing, I'm getting good feedback right now that people, were looking for this. And, I'm very, very grateful to those that have subscribed and let me know, reached out and let me know what they, their feedback and what they thought. And that's very important here. And I can tell you right now, looking at the analytics, it's like, I'm shocked, I'm blown away. You guys have really, really came out and showed out. And if you like this content, run it up. Run this thing up. Hit that sub button. Hit those like buttons and comment. Because if this thing grows and this thing goes somewhere, I will be able to allocate more time to it. I have a very, very cramped schedule right now. I'm doing the best I can to try to get this out. This does not put food on the table. This is a side thing. But if you guys want more of it and want it to really, I can really dig into this and put more time into it, run it up. Run it on up. That's how you let me know. Run it up. Hit that sub button, hit the like button, share it, comment. We're dealing with algorithms and stuff here with YouTube. They like to see all of that. They like to see you watching the majority of the video. Stick around to the end. Do those things, and with a little bit of time here, I will be reallocating much more energy and time into this channel, and we will really be breaking down as many episodes as we can all around the board.